Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access, Safety and Emergency. Then scroll down, click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Then tap on the one that you wish to add and then do exactly the same to all the other ones. To remove one of them, select this icon, the red one, on the right. If you wish to add more, just select Add Emergency Contact again. Remember to make sure that this option Show Info when locked is on. And now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on and access Emergency SOS. I can see that my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!